I'm Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. So back in 2020 I made two videos on 5 things to do when you're bored, and I did not make any videos regarding that later on. So that's what today's video is going to be about. This is 5 things to do when you're bored part 3. So let's begin now. Number 1 is rewatching your favorite shows, movies, K-dramas or anime. So when you rewatch your favorite, when you rewatch them, you kill time and your boredom also goes. Plus, you also watch something that you like. Number 2 is organizing your desk. This can be organizing your desk, reorganizing it, or even cleaning it. I personally reorganize my desk, but if you guys prefer it and like it, you guys can clean it too. So a favorable desk setup increases your productivity levels. Number 3 is related to the previous one, and this is cleaning. You can clean anything you want. Like I said, you can clean your desk, you can clean your closet, you can clean your room, you can clean anything you want, and you can also clean your garden. This way you can be a bit more cleaner, and it also kills time and your boredom will be gone. 4 is watering your plants. So by this you can water your plants, and it is also super satisfying, plus your boredom will be gone too. You can also change the water of the flowers from any bouquet or anything like that. And the final one, which is the 5th one, is painting your nails. You don't have to be a nail art expert for doing this. You can just paint your nails one color or two color or more. And if you do know nail art, you guys can also try it out on your nails. If you don't like putting nail polish on your fingers or your nails, you can put it on for someone else who does like it and who wants to put the nail polish on. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys like these 5 things to do when you're bored. You guys can click up here to check out the first part in which I made regarding this topic. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And comment down below if you guys want me to make more videos on this topic. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.